Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a mapping diagram with the Arduino Uno board. So your different components are your Arduino board, your breadboard, this is your LED, and this is your Bluetooth module. So we'll start with the Bluetooth module. Our scale and our key are going to be the two pins at either end, and we don't need those for use with the Arduino. We just need the four in the middle. So your first two are your RxD and your TXD. Your RxD is going to be this green wire. This is going to connect to the TX on your Arduino board, which is typically the second pin. Your TXD is this yellow wire, which goes down and connects to the Rx on your Arduino board. So your TX and your Rx on your Arduino board connect to the opposite ones on the Bluetooth module. Your GND stands for ground. You'll see it here, and you'll see it on your Arduino board. So this is your black one right here. This is going to connect to right here on your breadboard. Your VCC is your power, and this is going to go and connect to the top one on your breadboard. So on your breadboard, your top one is your positive, and these are connected from the right side to the left side all the way down. So all these pins here are all connected together. And your second row is your negative, and these are also connected all the way down like this. And the same thing with the bottom of the board. These ones are connected the same all the way down, and your bottom one is connected all the way down. And you'll see your blue line here and here indicates your positive, and your red here and here indicates your negative. So we have our power plugged into the positive and our ground plugged into the negative. So your red one here we know is connected all the way down to this red wire, which if we look here, this is your 5 volt, which is your power to your Bluetooth module. So you have your 5 volt and your 3.3 volt, and it depends on what you're using. Sometimes you'll use the 5 volt, sometimes you will use the 3.3 volt. Your black one on the second row we know is connected down with this black wire, which as we follow here goes to ground on your Arduino board. Now we look at our LED. The shorter pole is going to be your negative, and the longer one is going to be your positive. As you can see, it has a little curve there, knowing that it's longer. So your negative is connected to this black wire. This goes down to this pin, which is your number 10. This pin doesn't really matter. You can connect it to any of the pins that are numbered on this side, except your first two, because those are for your Bluetooth module. Then we look at our positive right here. This is connected to these ones. This is your resistor right here. So this is connected to the resistor. The resistor goes down to this row, which connects it to your red wire. So your red wire, if we follow that, goes down to pin number 8 on your Arduino. Now the same with this one. You can put on any of the numbered pins here except for number 1 and 2. But with this one, you have to indicate it in your program which pin you connected it to. So whenever you have the correct pin located and put it into your program, you're going to load the program to your Arduino board, plug it into the computer, and upload it. and you're going to connect your Bluetooth module to your smartphone through your Bluetooth settings. Then you can go ahead and open whichever app you will be using. And whenever you send an input from your phone to the Bluetooth module, it comes right in here, goes to your power source, right into the Arduino board, which stores your information, and it will read whatever pin it is from your program. So in this case it's pin 8, so this will send your program down to here through your resistor, which just regulates the power so you don't blow the LED, and this will light up your LED or make it blink, whatever function you want it to do in your program.